We're hitting the road driving cross-country in an RV and leaving our smart home 2,000 miles away. Will all my new smart devices make it more convenient or create more work while we're gone? Find out on Home Smart Home. I'm Jamie, and I'm a video producer at Asurion. Over the last year, I've gotten married and bought my first house. Now, it's time to make that home sweet home smart. I'll do it with a little help from my friends and our Asurion Experts. This is Home Smart Home. Hey, welcome back to what will be our final episode of our first season of Home Smart Home. I traveled across the country to visit family for the holidays, which gives me the ultimate chance to see my smart devices in action and try out some of my mom's cool Christmas sweaters. Here's a quick refresher on everything I've set up over the last several months. 2 Google Minis, a Nest Hub Max, a Nest Hub, a Nest Hello Video doorbell, Schlage and Code smart locks, the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. What else? The Philips Hue smart lights, motion sensor and sync box, a TP-Link smart plug, the new Google Nest thermostat, a Samsung The Frame smart TV, and a partridge in a pear tree. Our cat Bella had to stay behind, so I'm using my smart devices to make sure she and our home stay safe and comfortable while we're away. I've asked my friend Brett to stop by and check on Bella. Let's see my smart home at work.
All right, I'm here at Jamie's house to feed Bella. Let's go ring the doorbell and talk to Jamie.
Hey Brett, thanks for stopping by.
Hey Jamie, no problem. Do you want me to go ahead and use the access code you gave me earlier?
No, I'll actually unlock it for you. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm gonna bop over here to the Schlage app, and from here, I will unlock the front door.
Okay, sounds like it worked here. I'm gonna head on in.
Yeah, go for it. All the cameras have two-way talk, so if you need to chat with me again, just talk to one of them.
Sounds good. All right, the lights just came on. That's cool. Hey, Bella, what's up?
Hey, over here, Brett. If you want to give Bella a treat, there's some in the laundry room.
Awesome, sounds good. You're getting a treat. Looks like you got plenty of food in your feeder, and water's looking good. Time for a treat. All right, Jamie, looks like your food and water are all good, and Bella just had her treat, so I'm gonna take off.
All right, sounds good, Brett. Thanks so much.
Bye, Bella. Where she's getting.
Hey, that's the wrong door. Keep walking.
Oh, sorry, I thought that was the front door.
Thanks, Brett. See you later.
See you, Jamie. Bye, Bella.
I was able to lock and unlock the door from the app on my phone, but I also created unique access codes for a few friends and neighbors if they need to get into the house. The Schlage app will send me a notification and keeps a log whenever anyone uses their code. Most of the smart devices are working great, but the battery on the Arlo Essential Camera died right after we left. It's supposed to last 6 months on one charge, but I'm not getting anywhere near that with mine. Oh well. I'll just need to charge it when we get back home. As far as our other devices, the Google Home app uses my phone's location, recognizes that we're away, and adjusts to the Eco preset on our Nest thermostat, saving us energy and money. Since the cat's still home, I adjusted the Eco preset to be more comfortable for her, but still a little more conservative than it would be if we were home. To ward off any potential intruders, I created routines with my Philips Hue lights and smart plug to turn them on and off at different times in different rooms. I even scheduled the TV in the SmartThings app to turn on in the evening to make it really look like someone's home. It's been a fun journey, starting with a clean slate and the new house to now having a fully operational smart home. Here are my 3 biggest takeaways. First, convenience. From voice commands to routines, all of these little features add up to make life easier. Almost everything can be controlled from my phone, which allows me access anywhere. Second, security. I'm much less anxious knowing I can check on the house and the cat at any time. I can see if the doors are locked, have a live feed of the security cameras, and even trigger an alarm in the backyard camera. And last but not least, savings. Our smart home helps us save energy and money. I'm able to control lights and the thermostat with an app, or schedule based on time or location. We're already seeing the benefits on our monthly bills. When I started building my smart home, I was kind of intimidated by setting some of these devices up. But now that I'm on the other side of it, it really wasn't that hard. There were only a few times I needed to ask for help. I knew I wanted smart devices for simple tasks like playing music or controlling the lights. But now that I have locks, cameras, and motion sensors, I really appreciate the added benefit they give my daily life. Thank you for joining me on my smart home journey. Be sure to subscribe to see what comes next for Home Smart Home, and catch up on other videos on our YouTube channel.